Number 6. Linda wants to buy a new car. Daily life. Linda wants to buy a new car. 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 She has an old car. She has an old car. Her old car is a white Honda. Her old car is a white Honda. Linda wants to buy a new Honda. Linda wants to buy a new Honda. She wants to buy a new red Honda. She wants to buy a new red Honda. She has saved $10,000. She saved $10,000. She will use $10,000 to help buy the new car. She will use $10,000 to help buy the new car. She will give $10,000 to the Honda dealer. She will give $10,000 to the Honda dealer. The Honda dealer will give her a contract to sign. The Honda dealer will give her a contract to sign. The contract will require her to pay $1,000 a month for 7 years. The contract will require her to pay $1,000 a month for 7 years. Her new red Honda will cost Linda a lot of money. Her new red Honda will cost Linda a lot of money. But that's okay, because Linda makes a lot of money. But that's okay, because Linda makes a lot of money.